Aiming to be the most capital-efficient trading protocol on Cardano, this project is certainly creating a stir with its groundbreaking tech. So let's dive into today's video with a bit of a splash. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm the owner and operator of the MALU stake pool on Cardano and a lover of all things crypto. Reading through the documents has sent me into the fifth dimension. Grasping everything that Splash has to offer is definitely not an easy task, but as they say, if you do, you will obtain a superpower. So I suggest that you take the time to go through their docs page to get a proper understanding of just how powerful their features will be. A high-level overview of the version 1 Splash protocol is that it is a DEX that is made up of multiple different types of AMM liquidity pools with custom and dynamic fees, as well as an order book, making use of an advanced execution engine that ensures that all orders are matched in the cheapest possible manner. Alright, so let's get into it. Splash will have 4 different types of liquidity pools, and this DEX will be your playground, so you can be sure that whatever you want to do, you will have it. There will be constant product AMM pools, and these are just your typical 50-50 pools like we see on other DEXs. The second liquidity pool type are weighted pools. This is quite a new concept. These pools will have uneven weights for assets, for example 2080. This is great for anyone who is extra bullish and holds a large amount of one particular asset. The third pool type will be stable pools. These pools will have a different liquidity curve that is adjusted to stable assets. This will in turn reduce slippage when you do your trades. The fourth pool type are dynamic AMM pools. These pools are a more advanced version of the stable pools. They automatically adjust the liquidity curve to concentrate liquidity around the spot price. This will reduce slippage for traders and impermanent loss for liquidity providers. DEXs usually have a set percentage of fees, which is usually around the 3% mark. However, Splash takes it a step further. They aim to implement 3 features for their fee structure. The first being custom LP fees. With this feature, pool operators have the flexibility to manually set an LP fee when they create their pool. The bidirectional LP fee gives pool operators the ability to assign distinct fees for both buy and sell orders, and therefore provide a more tailored fee structure. And because that's not already cool enough, Splash takes it up a notch by implementing dynamic fees. With this feature, the LP fee will be dynamically adjusted based on demand. This means that liquidity providers will earn higher fees in response to market conditions. Using a temporal liquidity book, the engine can match orders with each other like you would see in an order book DEX, and as well as with liquidity pools simultaneously. This allows traders to get the best possible price and creates borderless opportunities for liquidity providers and market makers. The execution engine is fully open and transparent and can be run by anyone who wishes to do so. All operators are fully identifiable to prevent malicious behavior. As a user, you're completely free to choose which operator is going to process your order, or you just let it run in automatic mode where it will get routed through the fastest and cheapest option. This also creates a fee market. The faster and the cheaper operators process orders, the more fees they will earn. All orders on Splash are placed in a temporal liquidity book. Here, your orders can be filled from both liquidity pools and the order book simultaneously. This ensures the best possible price and minimal slippage. You can place market and limit orders that can be either fully or partially filled. Version 2 Splash promises many more features in this field, but this is a topic for another video. The second part of the Splash puzzle is the Splash token. It's a utility token that is not only used for governments, but it also allows you to earn DAO fees. To unlock all of these perks, you will have to lock up your Splash tokens and some ADA tokens first. This symbolizes your ownership of the protocol. And the longer you lock them up, the more voting power you will get. Splash is set to take the Cardano ecosystem by storm and will be an interesting addition to the DEX wars that are most certainly going to happen on Cardano over the next few years. And I cannot wait to see what innovation this will force onto other DEXs. So really, Splash is a win for all of us. So let's go. And that's it for now. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope I'll see you in my next video.